we'll see you now.
Is this the goop dust?
Yes, it is.
Hi, I'm Dr. Abigail Aspen. I'm a
Hi.
specialist in genetic diseases.
Adeline.
Hi, are you Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Would you like a lollipop?
Yes, please. Nice to meet you.
Alright, so tell me why you're here.
Well, recently, and actually her entire life, Mackenzie has been struggling a lot more in school lately, and just getting around the house, she just tripped in walking in today.
Interesting. So have you ever noticed anything else about her? Anything on her like skin, rashes, anything?
I don't really know about rashes, but
I have 7 birthmarks on my back.
See your eyes real quick. Alright, so I am seeing a couple small growths on her iris right now. Have you ever heard of the term neurofibromatosis or NF?
What?
Neurofibromatosis.
Oh.
So let me just explain it to you. I'm going to focus in on NF1, which I am diagnosing Mackenzie with. So basically it starts up here with that NF1 gene, which is located on chromosome number 17. And this protein is responsible for cell growth and is used at very specific times in the body. And it makes the protein neurofibromin found in the neurons, muscles, and other tissues. It is a GAP related domain. So basically, it has to do with the protein RAS. And so RAS is a protein that is key in cell growth, and it can be activated for cell signaling for growth through the addition of a phosphate group. So neurofibromin is responsible for deactivating RAS when necessary by adding a phosphate group, as you can see, because it can, since it's a GAP protein, it can quickly deactivate the RAS. So neurofibromatosis comes into play when there's a problem with the NF1 gene on chromosome 17, a mutation. So basically, there's no NF1 to deactivate the RAS, which causes cell growth.
Oh, which causes the tumors.
Exactly. However, most of the time, these tumors are non-malignant, since a second mutation is what causes the mutations like in the tumors to form, and that's when it starts to get dangerous. However, cancer is still a risk now, so we have to be pretty careful.
What's NF2?
So NF2 is pretty similar to NF1. It's seen more common in adults. And it has to do with like the mutation of NF2 on chromosome 22, which makes the protein myelin or schwannomin. And it is, as I said, it's often in adults. It can cause hearing problems. It leads to a loss of cytoskeleton organization. So tumors will often move around the body. So it's a little more severe, but you have NF1.
So what do we do now? Because Mackenzie's still struggling in school and with speech.
So I'm sorry to inform you, but there still is no cure for NF1. However, we can use radiation to get rid of any tumors that will come up, or surgery is always an option, and we will of course inform your school to get you some extra help. See, many kids your age deal with this problem. In fact, 1 in every 3,000 kids will develop this disease. I promise we will take good care of you.